guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be an all new BMW R18 2021 BS6 vehicle. The BMW R18 was launched exactly in last year, as we all know. The BMW comes with the German brand as launched in R18 Classic First Edition in India. At price segment of rupees, I will say you end of the video. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. So let's start the video, guys. So coming to the firstly headlights of the vehicle of R18 BS6 vehicle, the all new LED treatments as given in these headlights. In detail you can see the BMW badge at the center. The partition between the headlights are very nice and all LED treatments are very attractive of these headlights. Front as telescopic shock absorbers. The shock absorbers are very good and the length of the shock absorbers are very nice and bulkier. Coming to the front part, the disc size at the front you get dual disc with a 300 mm of disc size, and also the tire profile comes with a 130/90/16 inches tubeless tires provided at the front, and also the front wheel size comes with a 431.8 mm at the wheel size at the front. You get dual channel ABS, and also the reflected on telescopic shock absorber are very nice. You get spokes. You missing out the feature on this R18 is spokes, because the heavy weight of the vehicle, the spokes are very good and good performance. Here you can see the center of BMW badge in the engine placement at the center below the lower side. Coming to the side profile, this is a cruiser bike. The cruiser position of the bike is very nice. The BMW badge at the petrol tank at the very nice. Here you can see the 1800cc of badge engine that remains with the 1.8 liter of petrol engine of these cc engines. You get two engines on offer in this, air cooled and also the oil cooled. Both the engines are placed in single treatment of 2 cylinders with a single engine. And coming to other side, the engine placement is also called as boxer engine with a 2-change drive, and also conserve above the drive shaft. The total arounds of displacement of the engine comes with a 1802cc engine at 91 bs of power at 4750 rpm, and also 158 Nm of torque at 3000 rpm. There are total 2 cylinders and also shaft drive with self start button only. Coming to side, here you can see the exhaust. The silencer is finished in the chrome finish of sharp cuts and sharp cut finish, and the rear suspension you get with a tail swing with a central shock strut with the rear suspension, and the tire profile at the rear comes with 180/65/16 inches, and the rear comes with 431.8 mm, no difference between. You get 300 mm rear disc size also. Coming to here, you can see the single seat on offer with the BMW badge at the mudguard position of the rear. You won't get pillion seater on this offer of the cruiser bike. And coming to number plate position is also below the mudguard, attached to the mudguard only. On other side, here you can see it is not a chain drive and also the belt drive. It is also completely different of this cruiser bike, that steel frame with a squared on under beam position as given to this rear tires power. And also coming to engine placements, fuel injection supplies gives in this 2021 BS6. Coming to clutch of the vehicle, single disc dry clutch as given. There are total 6-speed manual transmission on offer at this bike, and also you get bore of 107.1 mm of bore, and also stroke with 100 mm of stroke. The comparison ratio of the vehicle comes with the 9:6:1, and also BS6 2021 vehicle. The price segment is slightly higher on this competition in the market. And here you can see the seat detail. You can see the BMW badge on the seat. The seat cushion is very nice, and the leather finish of the treatment on the seat is very luxurious feeling on the seat. There are only single seat on offer. And also coming to fuel tank capacity of the vehicle, comes with 16 liters of fuel tank capacity, and also with 4 liters of reserve in this vehicle. Handlebars, the left side you get with a moods changing horn indicators, high beam and low beam, and also with a power system button with the buttons as given here. Menu has also given a button in the left side handlebars. The chrome finish of handlebars are very attractive look at the bottoms, and also the vibration rods as attached to these handlebars at the corners. And also you get the rear brake oil at the left side handlebars. The side view mirrors are round and old school design, which has taken from all the old school designs of BMW R18. Coming to right side of handlebars, kill switch and also the moods change of button as given in the right side of handlebars, and also power buttons, power on off button as given in the right side of the vehicle. This is totally opposite of all the vehicles of BMW. Of keyless entry as given the power on off button given to the right side of handlebars, and also handlebars are wide enough. The cruiser position of handlebars are very nice. The only difficulty of the vehicle comes is the turning radius is very difficult on this cruiser bike with the heavy weights on offer at the BMW R18. Coming to instrument cluster, there are a lot of information on this instrument cluster. ABS switch as given, instrument cluster connectivity, internet connectivity, speedometer analog as given, odometer also analog, and fuel gauge is also analog, console analog, and engine immobilization as given on the information on this instrument cluster. Anti-thief alarm, riding modes as 3 modes as given on offer at this top end variant of this BMW R18, and also central locking system as provided in the instrument cluster. Coming to other side, color treatments on this vehicle as total 5 colors on offer. Here you can see the completely black finish. The shining treatment on the R18 is very nice on offer. Dual channel ABS is very important in this weight of the vehicle and also for long journeys of the vehicle cruiser bike. The dimension of the vehicle comes with a length of 2440 mm, breadth with a 964 mm, height of the vehicle comes with a 1342 mm, fuel capacity of the vehicle I have already said the 16 liters of fuel tank capacity and also the 4 liters of fuel reserve as provided in this vehicle. The saddle height comes with a 710 mm, wheelbase comes with a 1731, is massive enough for wheelbase of this cruiser bike. Because of the wheelbase is lengthy, the turning radius is very much difficult on this test drive of the R18 new vehicle. The weight comes with 365 kg is massive enough and also the massive on weights of this vehicle, and load capacity comes with the 295 kg. Coming to battery placement of the vehicle comes with the 12 volts of 26 amps of battery and low fuel indicators as provided on this vehicle. The tires as a front as 130 90 16 inches tubeless and rear comes with a 180 65 16 inches. Both the wheel size comes with the 431.8 mm. There is no difference between both the wheel size. And front has 300 mm of dual disc and rear comes with a 300 mm of single disc on offer. Both the brakes are coming with the dual channel ABS of anti-braking system on this vehicle. Coming to chassis and suspension of the vehicle, there is lot of technology used on this chassis of the suspension vehicle. Chassis comes with a double carrier of frame of the suspension with a steel frame with a squared on the under beams of suspension. Underbeam chassis, and the body of the vehicle comes with the type of cruiser vehicle I have said already, and suspension comes with a telescopic fork, and rear suspension comes with a steel spring with a caddy shock strand of rear suspension. Both the suspensions are very good performing in higher speeds or also in the long journeys. Coming to the background of the vehicle comes with the BMW launches of R18 last year in 2020. The Germany brand of BMW launches R18 Classic First Edition in India at Rs 26 lakhs ex-showroom in Hyderabad. There are total 4 colors on offer. The price of BMW R18 starts with 19 lakhs 90,000 goes up to 26 lakhs ex-showroom in Hyderabad. The BMW offered at 3 variants: R18 Standard, R18 First Edition and R18 Classic First Edition, which I am showing the video in this vlog is R18 First Edition, and also you get a starting of 19.9 lakhs basic variant standard comes, and the price variant is slightly higher side compared to other competition in the market of this BMW R18. There are total 3 vehicles of this competition in the market. That comes of Trump Rocket 3 and heavy competition Harley Davidson Fat Boy and Harley Davidson Lowrider S. There are total 3 vehicles competition of the vehicle of BMW R18. The almost 4 vehicles are price segments are slightly higher and difference between lot of difference between all the vehicles of 4. and overall the price segment is slightly higher as per my opinion. Coming to mileage of the vehicle, we cannot expect as this 1.8 liter of this petrol engine of the mileage. The additional features has been added of this R18 comes with the dynamic brake control, automatic stabilization control, hill start control, headlight pro, adaptive headlights, and lot of extra additional features has been added in this BMW R18, obviously at this price segment. So overall this is a walk around video of BMW R18 2021 BS6 vehicle. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Follow me on Instagram for better updates in the before only. And if you want a test drive, please hit comments and say how the video comes. See you guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.